Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a kitten in a donut, so let's get started. To draw this cute little kitty, we're going to first start by drawing its head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve. I'm going to go up, around, and bring it over. So then from there, we're going to cut it off with a curve that goes around for the donut. So I'm going to come and bring this down just a little bit more. Pretty even on both sides. Then about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. But I'm going to stop about right there because I need to draw the little kitty's paw. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve. So I'm just going to come over to this side as well and draw the other side. So then I'm going to stop there and come right here and draw another curve, a small one for the paw of our kitty, and connect it. At the bottom, I'm going to add two little curves right here, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So curve and connect it, and two little curves. So then I'm going to go ahead now and finish my curve. There. Okay, so I have this part in. Now let's come to the top and we're going to draw the cat's ear. So kind of like around this area, I'm going to add the ear. So I'm just going to curve up, round off the tip, and come back down. And I'm going to come inside and draw the inside of our ear. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right there and right there. So I'll come about right here, come up, round off the edge, and come down. Then let's draw the inside. There. So as you can see, the ears are never going to be perfect, but you just want to give these points so it's approximately the same size. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the back between the ears and we're going to draw another curve. So this is just an indication of the cat's body. And it looks really weird right now, but all come together. So we're just going to draw a small curve like that in between the ears. And then now let's bring this little kitty to life. So right in the center, right here, I'm going to draw a little nose. So just kind of like a little triangle. And let's see, if we want, I can come in here with a straight line underneath and curve it out. Let's give our kitty a little smile. And then we're going to come to the side and draw the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And same thing over here. There. Now let's make them so cute eyes. I'm going to try my best. Two small circles in here because it's kind of small. Curve line at the bottom and shade in the top. And let's put some lines in the bottom right there. And same thing over here. There. And then let's come above the eye and we're going to draw a little curve above each eye. And then we're going to add some whiskers right here to the side. So two whiskers on the side. It's so cute, right? I love kitties. And let's come to the center right here and give our kitty some marks right here on top of the head. So right in the center. So to draw our donut, we're basically going to start the back of this kitty right here. So we're going to basically draw a big oval around this kitty. So let's start in the center. I'm going to come up, say, about this much. So the back of the donut is going to be thinner and it's going to be wider at the front. So I'm just going to utilize my point right here and go all the way around. Just kind of drawing an oval. I'm going to come right here. It's going to get wider. So same thing on the other side. Just kind of gauge about how much width is over here, approximate, and do the same thing on the other side. And then from there we can start to bring it in. this a little bit rounder and bring it in. Okay, so about right there, I'm going to start to draw our drizzle. And so just remember, this part is going to be a lot thicker. So come down, start to draw a drizzle. And I'm just going to start to wiggle all the way across to here. So let's do the same thing over here. Kind of tricky, right? But just drizzle across. And then from there, you can go ahead and fill this in with the donut bottom. So right there. So some parts you won't see. And I'm just going to go around. There. Okay, so we have our donut in. Now comes the fun part. Oops. You can decorate this donut. Oh, sorry, I forgot our kitty's tail. So come to the back right here, and we're gonna draw a kitty's tail. So we're just gonna rest this tail right on top of the donut right here. So I'm just gonna go around close to the edge and just bring it around and back. There. Okay, so we have that in now. Let's add some sprinkles on our donut, however you want. So let's just make it, I'm gonna make mine simple. I'm just gonna add some circles here and there. So I saw this cute little plastic donut right here with a kitty inside, and it just really inspired me to try to draw my own version of it. So hopefully my drawing will inspire you as well. So however you want to decorate your donut. Okay, there. I think I have enough without making it look too complicated. But that is pretty much it for this cute little kitty in a donut. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.